Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Drive app and signing in. This links your phone to your cloud storage. Make sure the app is updated so features match these steps. Once signed in, grant storage and camera permissions so uploads work. Without them, you can't save or scan. Tap the blue plus to create or upload. You're now ready to add files, photos, documents, or folders directly from your phone. This first quick setup gets you into the live Drive environment immediately. Once in Drive, upload by tapping the plus and choosing Upload or Scan for paper documents. Scanning saves a PDF automatically. To keep things tidy, long press a file to select it, then use Move to place it in a folder. This avoids duplicates. Rename items to clear titles, star important files for quick access, and add folder colors for fast visual sorting. Make sure to sync over Wi-Fi for large uploads. If you need offline access, mark files available offline so they stay on your phone. Finish by sharing and syncing. Select a file, tap Share, choose Add People or Get Link, and pick Viewer or Editor so others can view or edit. Enable backup and sync in settings to keep photos and documents current across devices automatically. If something goes wrong, check your Google account storage limit, clear the app cache, and force close or re-sign in to refresh permissions. If uploads still fail, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network and try again. Most issues resolve after a resync or cache clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.